Iceland, Wednesday, February 5, 2025. The Icelandic Meteorological Office has issued a red weather warning, as a strong low-pressure system approaches for most of Iceland, due to strong winds, on Wednesday, February 5, 2025. The wind will ease slightly during the night, but will increase again to a southerly gale on Thursday morning, continuing with heavy rain. Gradually, the wind and rainfall will ease, starting in the west. In the afternoon, strong southwesterly winds are expected, with decreasing temperatures and snowfall. Local authorities urge residents to stay indoors, secure flammable items, and not travel while the red weather warning is in effect, as a severe storm is expected tomorrow, Thursday, February 6, 2025. Currently, airlines have cancelled flights, rescue teams are on standby, and authorities are closely monitoring the situation.